Everyone, this is Sheetal Sapan Matre, and today I'm going to share with you all a very interesting method of manifesting with angel cards. You can use any angel deck that you have. For this ritual, I will be using Angel Answers deck by Doreen Virtue and Radlick Valentine, and Magical Messages from the Fairies Oracle cards, again by Doreen Virtue. So take out any deck that you have. You need to remove the cards from that deck which are closer to your desires or dreams. So for example, I would just like to tell you, these are some of the cards that I have removed from the angel decks that I have. So for example, if you want to manifest holiday, you will take out the holiday card. If you want to manifest a new home, then a new home card, a new career, then a new career card. So whatever it is that you want to manifest, you will remove a card from that is closer or that resonates with your desires or dreams. So mostly the card reading clients that come to me, the workshop participants that come to me, most of them have this desire of a lot of abundance and prosperity. So I will be using cards which represents abundance and prosperity. So first and foremost, you need to make a small altar, or if you already have an altar, you can use the same. Place gods, goddess, deities that you connect with. I'm using Archangel Michael statue, Mother Mary, Ganpati Bappa, Lord Buddha. So whatever you want, you connect with, whichever deity you connect with. So as I said, for this example, we are going to use cards to manifest prosperity and abundance. So place the cards on your altar. I'm placing the abundance card, the opportunity card, the big happy changes card, so place your desires, and at the end I'm placing your wish is granted card. So place these cards properly. Concentrate on the cards and absorb the energies of the cards. It's very important that you light a tea light candle, as fire is a very powerful cleanser. Be careful of fire as well. So place the cards in a proper way and concentrate on the cards. Once you have absorbed the energies of the cards, say a very small prayer. Dear God, Goddess, my guardian angels, I'm placing my desires on your altar of light. Please grant me these wishes as soon as possible, this or better. Thank you. Once you have said the prayer, place any crystal that you have. I'm placing a clear quartz crystal because that's a very strong crystal. If you do not have a crystal, it's okay. But if you have, then do place that crystal on your altar. The reason I am placing a clear quartz crystal is because clear quartz crystal is a very powerful stone if you want to manifest anything in your life. So place this on your altar and let your altar remain for at least a day. If you want, you can click the picture of your altar and keep it as your WhatsApp DP or your screensaver. Last time, many of my FB members and broadcast list members had kept opportunity and big happy changes as their WhatsApp DP, and they experienced a lot of opportunities and abundance coming their way. So once the candle has completely burned out, the next day you can remove your altar. Carry this crystal with you because it has absorbed the energies of the entire ritual. If you want, you can keep the altar as it is. If you want to continue this method for many more days, you can always do that. I suggest to click a picture and keep it as your DP or WhatsApp profile, because that's like broadcasting to the universe your desires that you want to manifest. So this is a simple ritual in which you can use angel cards to manifest your desires. These cards are easily available online, and if you already have a deck, use that deck. Alright everyone, this is Sheetal Sapin Matre. Have a great day ahead.